So today guys, meron tayong Infinix phone na kailangan i-set up from the start, and I'm pretty sure na marami naman sa inyo na mga baguhan sa Infinix, you don't know how to set it up pag bagong bili. So I have here is a Infinix na Note 60 Ultra, and ito yung GT50 Pro. Pareho lang naman sila, no? But we'll set up itong Ultra and we'll run it one by one, step by step, para makita nyo kung paano mo i-set up. So tara, simulan natin. So this is how it looks like. Pagbukas mo, ganito ang language na. So of course, you have to choose either go for English, Filipino, or meron ka ibang preferred na languages, nasa sa inyo na yun. Next, choose your country, home country, Philippines. Yes ka lang. Kung meron kang ito-transfer o wala, basta kung gusto mo set up as bago, skip. SIM card, kung wala ka pa nilagay, skip ka muna. So connect na tayo sa Wi-Fi, which connect muna tayo. Now, once na naka-connect ka, you get ready for your phone. Then, next, ipapasok na natin ang ating Google account. So, yan, once na nakapasok ka dito, pasok mo lang email mo, pasok mo lang yung password mo, and we'll proceed to the next step. So, yan, nakapasok na tayo, agree ka lang, kahit disagree ka. So, checking yung account info. Yan, mag-aantay ka ulit saglit. So, you can set your password, face unlock, fingerprint, depende sa gusto mo. I'll just keep it for later. Ito kung meron kang gusto i-transfer na apps o wala, ako just don't copy. Allow mo lang to, no? Allow verification number, you'll be using this one. So, sa inyo, mas maganda i-backup nyo. Pero ako, since this is more of a pang-review lang natin, I don't normally backup. Okay, so, ito, agree lang kayo. Ito, kung gusto nyo gumamit ng Hey Google, Google Assistant. Ito, no thanks kung wala kayong gusto baguhin. And yes, it's going to get your phone ready. Enable mo lang mga to, no? Mga AI assistant, it's going to come in handy. And ito, marami siyang ipapa-install sa'yo dito. Ito, kung wala kang Infinix ID, login later na lang kayo sa settings, skip ka muna. Mobile cloner, depende sa'yo, no? Kung meron kang phone na gusto i-clone. Ito, nasa sa inyo na kung gusto mong buttons or gesture. Kasi just gesture na. So, already 2026 and you're still using button and masyado ka nang left out ko sa inyo, no? So, this is how it looks like. Get ready. So, Android 16 and get a good smooth experience. Now, pasok na kayo sa Play Store, you download everything na need mo, uncheck mo lang to, skip ka lang dito, then you use your password. Now, you can calibrate yung screen resolution mo dito, HD or UHD. Mas magandang quality ng UHD, no? So, let's go for UHD. Refresh rate, gusto mong standard, high, or custom, depende sa inyo. Ako, I'll put it to high para mas ma-enjoy ko. Now, you can put on your dark theme para mas hindi masakit sa mata, hindi masyadong glary. And those are probably some of the first things that I'll be doing sa aking phone. Now, pagdating sa Play Store, you can install some of the apps like TikTok. No? So, I think, by default, meron na pala siya. Update mo na siya kung gusto mo. And you can simply enjoy your Infinix na phone. So right now, this is running XOS 16 inside Android version 16. And yeah, I think pretty much good to go na yung phone. Ang yung Infinix na phone running XOS 16. So if you have any question, just simply pop it below. I hope na nakasunod kayo dito sa aking tutorial. And if you like more tutorial like this, don't forget to follow and subscribe sa aking channel. So, see you soon!